Hello, my beautiful people. It's your favorite Dr. Honey, Dr. Faith Abraham. Welcome back to our channel, the place that you come for tips, tricks, and tidbits on how to get your coaching business to exactly where you want it to be. And I say coaching business because clearly I'm a coach and I have an affinity for coaching, but also to any online business, because although I do have an affinity for coaches, I also know and am aware, since doing business online for the past decade, going into a new decade, so exciting, that running your business online is an absolute necessity, but a lot of people aren't familiar. So I'm going to give you the 411, honey. If you have no idea who I am and I just happen to come across your page, cool. Thanks for clicking and coming on. You can go to my website, www.faithabraham.com, and you'll find out all about me, my coaching certification program. Yes, I do certify coaches. Okay. And then also, if you don't want certification, you just want some coaching to get you from A to Z and into six figures, then honey, I am the coach for you. So go to my website, www.faithabraham.com. Let me say it one more time for the person in the back, www.faithabraham.com. And let's get right on into this thing. So number one, let me just free myself, okay? Number one, I have my notes down here. I'm just going to read it off to you. Creative ways to get clients for your business. And here's the deal. A lot of what you have to understand is this. Even though online business is still fairly new, there are a lot more people who are getting into it. There are a lot of people who are making claims and saying that they can provide certain results and they don't provide certain results. And what's happening is now you have a pool that keeps going up as far as like expectation, as far as promises, as far as, the rhetoric that we hear, especially on social media and online. And so what's going to set you apart is when you're not like everybody else, when you're doing things differently from everyone else. And that requires you to tap into that God-given creativity, honey, that you felt like wasn't going to work in business, but it works perfectly. You just got to know how to use it. And I'm going to show you 4 ways to do that. So the number one way, one of my favorite ways, I'm not even going to lie, one of my favorite ways to get clients, okay, especially as a coach, is to use TikTok. Honey, let me tell you, TikTok has been the creative outlet that I have been waiting for so many years. I'm chuckling clearly because I really love TikTok. It's just fun. Creating different things, garnering people's attention, giving them inside information that they didn't have before they came to my page, or that they've been looking for. When people say, oh, I've been looking for something like this, or oh, you are so funny, or oh, you struggle with that too. Yeah, my claim to fame is, I've been doing online business for over 10 years. I've been counseling for 10 to 15 years, just depends on how you count it, but 10 to 15 years coaching and counseling. I've had several online businesses that have been successful, had a few that failed too, Chad, but we learned for those, okay? I'm an award-winning coach. They call me the soul doctor because, honey, whether it's coaching or counseling, we're going to get your soul right so that you can produce and have fruit, okay? So that was what I did, and I did that through Google ads, and I did that just through word of mouth because I got people that transformation they were looking for. I got people those results that they wanted, and so people would refer me and refer me and refer me and refer me. I used to use directory. I used to do all kinds of things. I started slowly turning them off, and I was still booked and busy, right? And it was just great, but it didn't really require me to tap into my creativity. It didn't really require me as much as TikTok does, okay? TikTok is editing, acting, sequencing, doing the text, having the timing just right with the music and stuff like that. Like, I really am starting to get into, like, sucked into TikTok, but it's a really creative way. You can post your TikToks to your Instagram, your Facebook, your whatever it is that you use. People love it. I've had people just tag people in my posts. They don't even say anything to me. They just tag people. Then I get DMs. I'm like, okay, wait, who is this person? Where did they come from? Right? I have people like, oh, you are really killing it with these TikToks. Like, how do I do that? Or how does this go? How does that go? Which now leads into conversations where I can book another client. And if I didn't do that TikTok, I don't know if they would have, I mean, they probably would have, but it would have taken a while, right? For me to come up on their search page or find me on a hashtag, and all those things are good. But with Instagram currently promoting Reels, which is a form of TikTok on Instagram, where you can take your TikTok, throw it on Instagram in the Reels, and they're, boosting that. They're really taking that on. It's just gotten me in front of a lot of people a lot quicker. And guess what? $0. But 100% creativity. So TikTok is a great way. Okay. Number 2, do a giveaway. Y'all, giveaways are so much fun. And then depending on what type of giveaway you're doing, of course, you want to make sure that the giveaway that you're doing coincides with your niche market. Okay. You don't want to do a giveaway where it doesn't coincide. Like, if you're a coach and you're a coach for mothers, you're a coach for women, you're a coach for divorcee women who have been divorced or widowed, you're not going to do a PS5 giveaway. That don't make no sense. So what you have to do is do a giveaway, like, and it just depends on your budget, but you can do a Starbucks giveaway. You can do free coffee, and you put the barcode on your social media pages and in your email newsletters and stuff like that, and people literally just scan the code when they get up to Starbucks and they get free coffee. Or if you're a Dunkin's person, do Dunkin's, they have it too. You can do giveaways where you do your coaching packages, right? You can do a giveaway with your coaching packages. You can do cash, just straight out cash. We're giving away cash. Do this and this and this, and we're gonna choose the winner on so-and-so date. Boom, you choose a winner, and it's great. If you're gonna do a giveaway, though, let me just say they do have some free resources that will electronically choose the winner when you plug in the email addresses or whatever, their first and last name, whatever you ask them for, so that way people don't say, oh, it's rigged, or oh, you just chose your friend, or oh, it's probably your mama. You don't want that. You just want a good, clean giveaway where it's like anybody could have won, right? You can do a giveaway where, like I said, your coaching packages. You could do a giveaway of, if you have physical products, where you're creating a cute bundle and you're shipping it to them in the mail, right? People love mail. Amazingly. I love mail, okay? So people love getting stuff with their name on it, right? So you can do different types of giveaways to not only promote your business, but also grow your social media, which therein is you promoting your business. Okay. All right. Number 3 is do a partner advertising. I call it partner advertising. There's probably a different word for it. When you find it, you know what I'm talking about when I tell you. Partner advertising is when you run a ad, or you have a picture of yourself. I like to use memes personally, and I think memes do really well. And I'll put a meme on the screen so that you can know exactly what I'm talking about. Or it's going to be there. So use a meme that tells what it is that you do, right? And not necessarily, I am a coach and I do that. No. Like, tell the results. Tell what it is that you're about. Tell what you've accomplished. And then that will that relates to someone who's gonna look at it. And then you're gonna do this meme and put this meme on a account. Especially, I like to use Instagram for this, but you're going to put it on an account that has more followers than you, that has a bigger reach than you, and that has the same or similar niche. Okay, so for example, if you're a boutique, or you sell clothes or you sell hair, one of the things you want to do is you want to find pages that have like hundreds of thousands of followers and good engagement. How do you know if they have good engagement? Look at the comment section. Comment section is always, and not the fake bot, amazing, this is great, not that comments like, "Ooh, sis," or "Yes, get it," or "Oh, I love this." Like there's actually like commentary happening in the comment section. And when you see that, then you're like, okay, this is going to be a good place or profile for me to use. Because what happens is it's basically you're borrowing validation from that particular page. There's already thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people who are on that page. So when that page says, "Hey, pay attention to this person," or "Look at this person," or "Hey, look at that," then you're going to have many more eyeballs on you. Also, what happens is you are engaging in one of the things that I'm really, really big on, which is going to where your ideal client is. Stop feeling like, "Oh, I posted on my page," or "I posted on my website," or "I posted on my blog. It should, build it and they will come, write it and they will come, post it and they will come." And no. Go to where your ideal client is, because they may not know about you. But once they find out about you and they like you and it resonates with them, then they will come, and when you put a blog up or you put a post up or whatever, it's going to work. But if they're not, we're in your corner of the internet streets yet, sis, do your work, do your research, do your job, and go to where they are. And then they'll come to where you are. That's the easiest way I can say it, okay? All right. Then number four. I told you I got four creative ways, okay? Number 4 is to host an online event. Honey, let me tell you, people are at home. People are fishing for 2 things, or 3 things, I would say. 1, they're fishing for entertainment. Of course, people want to get out of the fact that we're in a pandemic. Many people have, a lot of things have changed for them. So they're seeking to be entertained, laugh, be scared, which that's definitely not my forte. I'm not going to pay nobody to scare me, child. Like, I'm not interested. But I will pay somebody to make me laugh. Okay? That's me. So, but it's entertainment, right? Now, also you have people who spend. When they are trying to escape or they're happy or what have you, they spend, they buy. They're looking for something to buy. Then you also have people, number 3, my favorite kind of people who are looking for information because they want to grow, they want to shift, they want to accomplish something, right? So you find what segment you're in, and out of those 3 things, if you can do what's called infotainment, if you can put info and entertainment into one, you literally raise the bar and increase the ability for you to be seen, which is why TikTok is so great, because you're literally kind of doing infotainment, right? So when you do that and you're offering like an event, what kind of event? Just teaching people how to do something, or showing them how to do something, or you guys, watching a movie together. Like, you could literally host a movie and then say, "Hey, watch to the end. I have a gift that I want to give to some of the watchers," right? Or if it's not a movie, you do a webinar and teach on something that and what that you're teaching, make sure it's something that people want to learn, right? And so you can host an online event. It doesn't have to be expensive, or it can be, whatever you feel like doing, but do it with the end goal in mind, being that you want people to know who you are. You're going to expose them to who you are, what you do, and what you have to offer them and how it can benefit them. I just put a whole bunch of gems in one little basket to you, honey. Catch it, okay? Catch that wave. So those are the 4 ways that you can creatively garner more eyes, more ways to get yourself some clients. So number 1, take advantage of TikTok. It's free. Your creativity is already there. Tap in, okay, into the creativity. Number 1, TikTok. Number 2, do a giveaway, host a giveaway. Number 3, do a partner advertising or a partner ad, right? It works, I promise you. And then number 4, host an online event. And that can really help you get in front of more people, have more people find out about you and the like, okay? And let me give you this one for free. Yes, let me give you this for free. And here is number 5. Number 5 is, which coincides with the paid partnership ad. Get talked about or picked up or seen by a celebrity or a influencer. What you have to understand is people are more apt to follow you, to pay attention to you when you are talked about by people who already have influence, who already have popularity, who already have a buy-in, right? This is why when you go and watch Housewives of Atlanta, Family Braxton Values, I've said it wrong, but Braxton Values, that's what it's called, Braxton Values. Any of those shows are OC, all of that stuff. When you see, like they had a counselor on there, they had a coach on there, they have a hotel or a restaurant or different places that they go to. A lot of that stuff is done strategically, and a lot of that stuff is done intentionally to shed light on that establishment. Those establishments always report an increase in an influx, not even increase, an influx of customers because they were shot and referenced by a program or people that already have buy-in. You see this as well on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives, a show on HGTV with Guy Fieri. When he goes to those restaurants and he's like, oh, this is so good, and he's just eating and eating and eating the food, they get influx of business because Guy Fieri already has buy-in. Because he has buy-in, he's now lending that buy-in to that restaurant, to those people. Now, the people who follow Guy and believe in Guy and have buy-in with Guy has now transferred it to those people, and now the people are also following, and they are more likely to go visit the establishment because they have been stamped of approval by Guy Fieri. Same thing. So however you work it, however it happens, whether it's organic or PR or whatever, if you can make that happen or that happens for you, that is a really, really good thing. And that is also a creative way to get more clients into your business. Listen, if you enjoyed my 5 tips for your business, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to go ahead and smack that subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up because you know it's good. Now, if you implement it and you see results, I want you to go ahead and come back to the video and put it in the comments and let me know how it went for you, because I'm telling you, this thing is gonna work. But go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and while you're here, you may as well watch another video. Why not? It's just gonna be more good information. You might as well just go ahead and get on it. Go ahead, hit a video of mine and enjoy.